Hi, I'm Damo from Magna, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use filler to repair some cracks and holes. So we've got some holes in the wall which have been made by raw plugs. So what I'm going to show you is how to prep them ready for filling. So first thing to do is to get your sander, then get your dusting brush, dust it off, then a nice clean cloth, give it a wipe, and once it's cleaned, let it dry. So this is Topret, it's patch repair filler. It's my personal choice. You can use any type of filler really. You can get some that you have to mix with water, but I prefer to use this, it's already made. And then just load your knife up. And then I'm just going to start covering. You might need to do this twice. So what you're looking for is to make it a bit proud. So make sure it sticks out a bit so you've got enough to sand back to get a good flat finish again. So all the instructions for your filler are all on the back. Different fillers have different drying times. This one is 12 to 24 hours. So we're going to come back tomorrow and check that this is all dry. So my plaster's dry, and you can tell because it's gone white and it's nice and hard, so it's ready to sand. So I'm going to put my mask on. So I've sanded that down now, it's nice and flat, so it's going to be ready for priming. So I'm going to treat this like new plaster, and what I'm going to do is seal it with a mist coat, and that's half paint and half water in equal amounts. It's really thin and it can be quite splattery. So what this does, this sucks into the plaster and it helps the new layer bond to the surface, and it'll stop it cracking and give you a really nice finish. So once it's dry, I'm going to give it a coat of emulsion, and I'll show you that in another video. Thanks for watching. I hope you found the video useful, and don't forget to follow us so you don't miss out on any more videos.